Hello everyone, I am Sohamat Neja and today I will be talking about the Airbus A380. What is the Airbus A380? The Airbus A380 is a double-decker wide-body aircraft made by the European company Airbus. It first flew in 2005 and began commercial service in 2007 with Singapore Airlines. What makes it special is that it has two full passenger decks that run along most of the aircraft. Most airplanes have only one main deck, but the A380 is designed almost like two airplanes were stacked on top of each other. Size and dimension. The Airbus A380 is extremely large. It has a wingspan of about 73 meters long and it has of nearly 80 meters, which is wider than many football fields. The aircraft is about 24 meters tall, which is similar to a 7-story building. When it is fully loaded with passengers, luggage, and fuel, it becomes the heaviest aircraft to ever one of the heaviest aircraft to ever fly. Over here we can see it in comparison to a Boeing 737. Passenger capacity. Because of its size, the Airbus A380 can carry a very large number of passengers. In all economy layout, it can carry up to 850 passengers. However, most airlines use layouts that carry anywhere between 500 and 600 passengers so that travelers have more space and comfort. This still makes it one of the highest capacity passenger airplanes in the world. Two full passenger decks. One of the most unique features of the A380 is that it has two full passenger decks, an upper deck and a lower deck. The upper deck is not just a small section at the front, it stretches along most of the aircraft. This gives airlines extra space for wider seats, larger aisles, and even special areas such as lounges on some airlines. Comfort and passenger experience. The Airbus A380 is one of the most comfortable aircrafts to fly on. The cabin is quieter than many other larger aircraft, which makes long flights more pleasant. The plane has larger windows and improved air pressure systems that help reduce tiredness. Some airlines even add luxury features such as onboard lounges and private first class suites. Engines and power. The Airbus A380 is powered by four large jet engines. The airlines can choose between engines made by Rolls-Royce or the Engine Alliance. These engines provide enough power for the aircraft to carry hundreds of passengers over very long distances. Airbus A380 is used on international long-haul routes such as flights between major cities on different continents. Technology and design. The Airbus A380 uses the most advanced technology to make flying safer and more efficient. It has computer-controlled flight systems that help pilots control such a large aircraft smoothly. Airbus also used lightweight materials in some parts of the aircraft to improve fuel efficiency. Even though it is huge, it was designed to be efficient than many older large aircrafts. Airlines that use the A380. Several major airlines have operated the Airbus A380. Emirates is the largest operator and is closely connected with the aircraft. Other airlines that have used the Airbus A380 include Singapore Airlines, British Airways, and Qantas. These airlines mainly use it on very busy international routes where many passengers travel between major global cities. Why production stopped? Even though passengers love flying on the A380, Airbus stopped producing it in 2021. Airlines began choosing smaller twin-engine aircraft that use less fuel and are cheaper to operate. As travel patterns changed, airlines preferred more frequent flights with smaller aircraft instead of very large aircraft like the A380. Legacy of our aircraft. The Airbus A380 remains one of the most impressive aircrafts ever built. It has showed what engineers can achieve when they pushed the limits of design and technology. For many passengers, flying on the A380 is a special experience they will never forget. Even though production has ended, the A380 will always be remembered as the true giant of the skies. Thank you.